My name is Reese. I am the tech lead for operator tools at Square Robot on the software team, and I've been at the company a little over 3 years. I start most days by checking our internal messaging tool, just making sure that there are no urgent support requests coming from the field, just because we're typically operating anywhere on the globe at any given moment. Otherwise, it's development work. So at any given time, we're working on either crunching through or putting together a backlog of feature requests for the next release of inspection system software. Beyond that, I'm generally focused on making the job of operators as easy as possible. What they do is already inherently difficult because they're in an unfamiliar location, away from their families, and so anything that we can do to make the actual job of executing one of these inspections easier is always at top of mind. One of the big things that we're working on right now are supporting the new version of the robot, the high temp version of SR3, so that allows us to operate in a wider range of fluid temperatures. You need software to sort of drive any sort of hardware functionality. In general, we will decide on a new feature that we want to implement, spec out what's required on the hardware side, and then spec out what's required on the software side to support that. People bring their own unique background to the table, but oftentimes we're solving new problems, and so everybody's able to contribute, and because the robot is always half of the problem we're solving, there is a lot of communication between the hardware team and the software team. I would say that software plays a critical role. For any new feature that is implemented on the hardware side, a new physical feature or configuration on the robot, there needs to be software to support that. We've got the robot with various control systems and sensors, but none of that sort of can be integrated into a meaningful whole without software. We're building interfaces for a submersible robot. It permeates every aspect of the work we do. Beyond that, I do feel like the company, I don't know how, has done an exceptional job of just hiring a good group of people to work with, like the best kind of nerd. The problems that you get to work on are novel. You're working at sort of the intersection of hardware and software, so you've got like a physical component to everything that you're doing. And yeah, the problems that you're solving are very unique and very engaging.